Hi, I'm James. Uh, Thank you, Borok TV, for giving this beautiful award to our Django boys for Song of the Year, Mumbai Angle. I dedicate this award to our team member. I dedicate this award to each and everyone who have loved and supported our song, our project. This is not actually our first project, and hopefully we will launch more and more in the coming time. And I really appreciate the Borok TV, the Borok Times, and everyone, the team Borok team, for their this step towards the Cockroach industry, for the welfare of our Cockroach society. And lastly, belai belai ke hum bhai Borok TV and belai belai hum bhai the people of Tripura for the love and support to us Django boys. Peace.
Let's get it. I just wanna rip off the moments that I had with you. But you clip on my wrecking grin like an addict flu. I wanna get over it, cover it, positive energy. But the only thing I'm